everyone, it's me again, Chen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're going to review KM Nicotine 9-in-1. So this is Nicotine 9-in-1 capsule. As you can see, is nakasealed pa siya. So make it sure na nakasealed yung mabili nyo. And open natin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung capsule. O, diba? May ganun pa. Ayan. Balik na natin. So what can be seen in Nicotine? Nicotine contains L-glutathione, collagen, L-cysteine, curcumin, Centella asiatica, carotenoids, beta-glucan, vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid. At ang pinakamaganda dito sa lahat, guys, good news is meron siyang L-cysteine. Alam niyo ba na ang cysteine ay very important synthesis ng gluta sa katawan natin? At may kakayahan yung cells natin to produce its own glutathione. At para makapag-produce ng glutathione na final na chemical, kailangan may cysteine na component. So kung walang cysteine ay walang silbi yung glutathione. How many tablets of Nicotine per day? So Nicotine can take twice a day, morning before meal and evening before you sleep. So what are the benefits of Nicotine 9-in-1? First, antioxidant and detoxifier, lighten dark spots and acne spots, heals dry damaged skin, better sleep, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, tighten facial pores, and improve saggy skin. Pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa lahat is nakakatulong siya sa akin para magkaroon ako ng mahimbing na tulog. At the same time, kahit hindi 8 hours yung naitulog ko, pero pakiramdam ko ay parang kumpleto yung naitulog ko gawa ng Nicotine. Yung effect sa akin ha. So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga changes na napansin ko while taking Nicotine? So, pang 1 month ko pa lang nagamit ng Nicotine. So, ngayon ko lang siya nagawa ng review. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito talaga yung natural na skin ko. Yan o, medyo may mga pekas-pekas pa tayo dyan. Oily pa yung skin ko. Wala tayong nilagay na filter dyan. So, gagamit ako ng wipes to prove na wala akong makeup and anything. Start tayo dito. Yan. O, diba? Sa ilong. Kasi oily na yan. And everything. Wala. So, wala. It's clear. So, kung mapapansin nyo is, ito yung effect sa akin. Medyo nag-glossy na yung skin natin. Yan, nag-glow kahit papano, diba? So, gagawa ako ulit ng review siguro after 1 year para makita na pa yung effect niya. So, for conclusion, tatapusin na natin yung video na to. So, the daily oral administration of 500 mg L-cysteine and 200 mg L-glutathione was a safe treatment to effectively lighten the skin and reduce the size of facial dark spots. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!